Yeah, this is V. This big guy right here with the black mask, this is Thanos. We got Cole right here. And we got Stormy. If you guys wanna already have a name, just let us know and we'll start calling the dogs by their names. Kaden, you know how to let Bella and Nico out?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, let them out.
Sorry, my little babies. Oh, they were coming because they weren't being pilots because they're cold.
Bella gonna come right and eat their food, but at least they'll get off the ground. Where you see it be? So this is V. What's up, V? This is Ghost. Yeah, I want them to use the bathroom outside. I'll get it up. Keep your eye, help me keep their eyes on them. You can let them walk around, just keep an eye on them. Uh-oh, look at this guy. And this girl. He's fine. What's up, big boy? Oh, they see mama. Watch where you watch where you step. Kaden, go get me a couple bags so we could get the poop up. Nico, what's up, buddy? What's up, big boy? What's up, big boy? What's up, Bella? There's a bunch of puppies. Gotta keep an eye on them. There you go.
Smart.
You know what to do, sir.
When the puppies are smart. That was over there, so they walked over there, so they had to go to the back.
Oh, yeah?
Something right there.
Yeah, they get used to being outside. The puppies just ate and they still want that milk. Every time they see her, they're gonna go for it. So. Got a lot of leaves to get up. Neko. Gotta keep counting the puppies, make sure they all here. Hey, go ahead and lift up each one of the pups so we can show them. So our all black female, she's wet because she got milk all on her face. She's very pretty. This is our fawn male, our red fawn boy. He looking good. Little wrinkly face. What's up, buddy? Most of his white like faded out. That's what I figured it'd do. He looks really good. Yeah, pick him up. Yeah, it's a big boy right here. All black male. He look good. He's the biggest pup out of the litter. He's hefty. It's a hefty dude. Okay.
A black female
with white chest and white feet.
This is Stormy, a blue female.
She's pretty big too. So pull her to the side. See it to the side.
And there's Ghost. A blue male.
He's a Formentino.
And a Formentino male.
So he got blue mask. It was hard to tell what he was gonna be because he looked all blue when he first was born. But he turned out to be Formentino.
And this is Thanos.
This is Thanos. We like Thanos. Thanos is, what do I say? He like one of the leaders of the pack. He the first one to bark and growl when somebody walks downstairs.
The
Yeah. Who else didn't you show? This buddy. We call him Nako Jr. As you see, he looks just like his dad. He doesn't have a name yet. So, just let us know. He looks just like his dad. He gonna be a good looking man. Got Cole over there. This blue, the blue male right there, Cole. He looks just like the female. Pick him up. And I'll pick up the female. So this is the male. We call them twins. And this is the female. Of course, Cole is bigger. Stormy is a little tad bit lighter. But adorable.
They're both pretty cute pups. Okay.
There's so many, I don't even know if we covered them all.
I got all the blues. And I got I got them all. I got them all. I got three of each.
Alright, cool beans.
And I got all the bronze. This is like a junior.
Yeah.
He's just a little lighter. Is it all real black?
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. They fine.
Okay, who's doing that?
Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I found them by color.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
One,
Good. I guess you could say 3 blues counting the Formentino, and then 3 browns and 3 blacks.
so I just skipped down by threes. Okay. Yeah, he backed away from that. He does not like it.
All right, y'all. Say bye. We're going to take the puppies in the house.
Bye, KBCubed family. Bye, KBCubed family. See you next time. Bye, KBCubed. Hopefully next time we see you, all the puppies will have names. Bye, KBCubed.
Nico, say bye. Say bye, Nico.